Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your planning briefing for Thursday, May 18th. Looking at the weather threat matrix, a few things stand out. We have isolated scattered thunderstorms most days. We do have increasing thunderstorms later Sunday compared to the days preceding, and then some gusty winds on Monday with a cold front. So those key points, we're transitioning to an upper ridge later today, being Thursday, lasting into much of Sunday, so much above normal temperatures, 15 to 20 degrees above normal. Min RHs drop down. That isolated showers and thunderstorms each day, especially on the terrain. Start to get a ridge breakdown beginning later Sunday with increasing threat of storms in the afternoon hours. Cold front timing right now looks to be Sunday night into Monday morning. So breezy westerly winds with that, and some scattered storms. And then much of next week at this point looks to mild temperatures, somewhat unsettled with some chances from showers and storms from time to time. Let's get into some of the details. So this here, we're just going to kind of walk through the mid-level heights to show where the high pressure ridges are, being more of the reddish color for the anomalies, and then the low pressure areas being the bluish colors as far as the low pressure anomalies. So we bump up the ridge. This is on Friday. We bump up the ridge into Saturday and Sunday. Once we get into late Sunday, we have more of a southwest flow. And so we'll start to see a little bit more of a westerly gradient, especially across north central Idaho, and that increasing chance for some storms beginning then. We have a cold front push through on Monday with a trough across the area. There's still some disagreement on if the trough dips more into the Pacific Northwest and then across the area through the week, or if the trough stays more across British Columbia and Alberta. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. This particular model here keeps it more across British Columbia and Alberta. The difference would be this scenario that we're showing here would be more of mild temperatures slightly above normal with some chances from showers and thunderstorms from time to time, and that seems to be the majority of the models. But there is a minority that does show a closed low moving through the area. It would be Tuesday into Wednesday, which could bring widespread precipitation, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. If we move on, another item that's definitely been prominent in the forecast has been the smoke and haze that we've seen coming out of British Columbia and Alberta. And what I want to show with this is just simply there's a lingering. So this is, let's see, this would be, let me let it come back around here. So this would be Friday morning, and then we get into Saturday, and then Saturday evening. And so kind of what you see here is just more of the same with what we're seeing today on Thursday into Friday. This particular model shows somewhat of a diminishment on Saturday, but with the upper ridge over us, maybe not so much, maybe just lingering. And then once we get into Sunday and especially Monday, we get that westerly flow, which should push the smoke and haze out of the area. Speaking of some of those gusty winds, I just wanted to put this graphic up. So general expectation with the gust on Monday is 25 to 35 miles per hour. This particular graphic here shows the probability for gust to 35 knots or 39 miles per hour, greater than, 39 miles per hour. And so you can see 36% for Missoula, 27% for Kalispell. Definitely on the terrain, higher chances, 50, 60, 70% chance, especially across northwest Montana. So keep that in mind as we get into Monday. Looking just a bit further ahead, the middle and latter part of next week, like I mentioned, most of the models are showing those mild temperatures slightly above normal. And as far as precipitation, near normal with those shower chances each day, shower thunderstorm chances each day. If the closed low scenario, which is in the minority, does happen, then we could have above normal precipitation for part of the area. That's the end of the briefing. Our next briefing is Sunday, May 21st. Please join us then. Have a good day.